Hello everyone, it's me, Serendipity. Just a trigger warning before I go any further into this video, I will be discussing miscarriage and child loss in this video, so if you're sensitive to those topics, I just want to let you know before I go any further. Anyways, in this video, I am continuing to work on my oil painting titled Conception. And this painting is the first painting in a series that I'm working on titled the Rebirth of Serendipity Series. And this series is all about my journey through motherhood. From the first stage, which is conception, all the way to rebirth, the stage at the end. Apart from my passion for making art, my other greatest passion in life is being a mother. So in this series, I get to combine both of my passions and connect on a more personal level. This painting titled Conception marks the first stage of becoming a mother. When you first find out that a little human is starting to grow, when two souls meet for the first time. I'm a mother of two children. I have a son and a daughter, and this painting is inspired by my personal experience I had a few years ago. My son was around 2.5 or so, and me and my husband felt that we were ready to add another baby to the family. So after a while, I became pregnant, and we were so excited. But right after Christmas, I miscarried. And I had never experienced something like that before, and I'm already somebody who is very sensitive and struggles with my mental health from time to time. So this brought me to a really sad and dark place. While I was in my deep depression, I still longed so badly to be pregnant again because I still wanted another baby. I knew that the only way to get out of this depression was to keep moving forward, so I did. But the deep sadness still lingered. And one night, about a month later, this changed. And I had the most vivid dream, and I can still remember it so clearly. In the dream, I placed my hand on my belly, and a little warm, glowing hand came from the other side and touched my hand. I saw a little baby girl, and she was glowing like a beautiful star. I felt such an intense love for her, and she didn't speak words necessarily, but she communicated to me through thoughts. And I heard, everything will be okay. And then I woke up, and when I woke up, I genuinely felt like everything would be okay. And I had a deep knowing that I was pregnant with my daughter. And a few days later, this was confirmed with a positive pregnancy test. And on October of 2022, I gave birth to my beautiful daughter. And she looked just like how she did in my dream. Now, this experience moved me so much that it was the inspiration for this entire series. I always knew that I wanted to paint that dream, but it felt that there was so much more to say and so much more to the journey. So I decided to make an entire series dedicated to the journey of motherhood. The person and the woman that I've become is so drastically different than the person I was before. This type of experience changes a person, and in my opinion, in a good way. I feel so lucky every day that I get to experience this level of love for my children, and I get to watch them grow and flourish every day. And it heals my own inner child as well. The reason I even make art in the first place is because I want to connect with my own inner child. Whether that is the kindergarten me, who was obsessed with fairies and spent hours finger painting in her room, or if it was middle school me, who was so awkward and just discovered manga and Winx Club for the first time and had a hard time fitting in with others. Or even the high school version of me that struggled with my mental health, but used art to express the things I couldn't say with my words. I show love to every version of myself as I do to my own children. Being a mother has taught me to love on another level. I know that being a mother is not everyone's journey, but for me it has been the most pivotal part of my experience here on Earth. And I hope, if anything, maybe you can relate with me or understand me a bit more. I really want to connect with you all here, and while talking about how I feel is not my strong suit, I feel like in a world that is becoming more AI generated and superficial, I just want to connect on an authentic level and be my real self. We are human, we are flawed, we have so many emotions, but that's what makes us special and unique. My art may not be perfect, but it's mine, and I made it with my own hands. I know this series may not resonate with everyone in my audience, but it is important to me. Maybe some of my fellow mothers can relate because this series is for you. this is dedicated to mothers. Just being a woman is hard. And on top of that, being a mother. And if nobody has told you today, I'm proud of you. You're doing a good job. Now, with all that being said, I'm going into time-lapse mode, and I'll meet back up with you near the end of the video. Now, I wanted to talk about the process of making this artwork for a bit. This oil painting is definitely not finished, and I still have more layers of paint to go until I'm satisfied. But I felt like I made a good amount of progress since the last update. This painting is 12 by 16 inches on a wood panel, and it is entirely in oil paint. I will be adding more layers as I need until I'm satisfied that it meets the vision that I have in my head. So I will be posting another video of this painting at some point. Maybe in the next video I will actually finish this painting. Let me know if you have any questions about the process or materials. I'm always happy to answer questions in the comments, but for now this is a progress on my oil painting. And as always, if you like my art and you want to support me, I have prints, stickers, original art, and more on my website at serendipitytheartist.com. And also over on Instagram, I'm hosting a Draw This in Your Style event with my Inky Cap Mushroom Girl from my last video during the entire month of October. So if you want to participate, I would love it if you joined over there. And that is all for my announcements, and I hope to see you next week for another video.